Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor. In today's video we are going to do the part 3 of the Certy Network airdrop. This is a free airdrop and is in testnet. We are going to cover the CeLearning part. Remember that Certy Network has 4 projects. We are going to cover the third part of the airdrop. The first part we already covered how to do it in the first video. Then we covered the second product on the second video. And in this video we are going to cover the Certy Network CeLearning Incentivized Testnet Guide. There is no step-by-step from my side because here is explained little by little, step-by-step to how to participate. So we are going to follow the official link. But remember that all my airdrops are here in the airdrop organizers, and here you can check the previous Certy Network videos that we did, and also you can check those videos here on my website. The links of everything is going to be in the description. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well remember that this video is the third part of the series of videos of the Certy Network airdrop. It's not difficult, all the videos are free to do because this is a testnet. So you don't need to pay any fees or any money with real tokens. And you can go to my airdrop organizer and check here the previous videos of Certy. And also you can find them here on my website account. And the links of those videos, the previous 2 parts, are in the description. So you can go and start doing step by step the first one, the second one. And after that you can do this video. So Certy Network is the first decentralized learn-to-earn platform on NEAR protocol, intending to provide an effective tokenized learn-to-earn model with a decentralized Web3 experience profiled to everyone. Certy empowers NEAR-based projects with the ability to attract a large number of users and dedicate communities behind them. And remember that Certy Network has 4 main products. CeLearning is the one that we are going to cover right now, C-Storage and C-Social, which are the previous 2 videos that we did, and C-Career, which is going to be the 4th and last video. We have reserved part of the total supply as airdrops and rewards to the testers of our applications. So more clear than this is not possible. Of course it's going to be an airdrop for everyone that is doing these videos. So today we are going to release the testnet of CeLearning. Users must perform various platform actions and report issues, if any, to be eligible for the airdrops and rewards. The more transactions and descriptive reports you make, the more reward you earn. See the guide below. So you are going to try to find issues, and if you don't find any issues, try to put any comment or anything that you see that can be improved, because at the end of this video you need to send, like in the previous one, this Google form, and which is for the CeLearning test, where you put some data of your Discord account, your Twitter account, and some screenshot or video if you find any issue. So like always, the first step is follow them in all the social networks that they put here. I will do it just in case that the airdrop is only for the ones that are following their channels, so we really don't know that, so I recommend you to follow them on all those socials. Now the step 1 is create a NEAR wallet and login. We already have it from the previous videos, but if it's your first time doing the Certy Network video, then you are going to create a NEAR wallet here. So in order to do that, you click this button here to create the wallet. But if you already have it, then you go directly to the test learn Certy Network and click login with NEAR. So we click there. I will connect my NEAR wallet here. So you can see that I already have a user test here from my previous videos. So I will click on next. I will click on connect. And now you can see that I am connecting on my profile page. So the step 2 is find and enroll in the Learn to Earn course. So in the Find Course section, find the Introduction to Certy Network course and click Enroll for free. So we are logging here. We go here to the Learn Features, Find Course. We click there. Introduction to Certy Network. So we click here. And like they say, we click on Enroll for free. Step 3. Learn and answer the quiz. From the interface, read about Certy Network to prepare for the quiz. Once you are ready, hit the next lesson button. After that, start the quiz and answer all the required questions. So after you read this, you click on next lesson. And we have the quiz. So this is the number of questions are 5. We have 30 minutes. So I will start with this. I need to connect with Twitter here first. So I need to follow the account if I didn't follow before. Second, I need to retweet this. And I need to click the verify button after this passes. Now question 3. What is Certy network? Here is all correct. So the first question, that number 3, is all correct. Here is near foundation, and here this is false. Congratulations, you have passed the assignment. So I will click here and click on return. And after doing that, the step 4 is claim rewards, and they say that the course will run for 2 weeks, 14 days, from December 12 to December 25. So after the course ends on December 25, you can navigate to rewards pool of the course and claim rewards. The rewards are testnet near, so there's no value in that. So here in pool detail, like you can see, the step 4 for claim rewards is here on this section. There says no rewards, and I can see here that it says the same. So after the 25, after Christmas, you can come here and probably claim the rewards that you have. And finally, fill out the feedback form. You can fill in the form before claiming rewards, step 4. And it is better to summarize all the feedback and do it once. However, if you find more bugs, have the suggestion for the team, you can do it multiple times. And here is the feedback form link. And complete your data here. Your email, your near testnet wallet participation, so the name of your testnet wallet. And you can see that here on the up corner in your profile here, this is the name of your account. So put that here. Then your Twitter handle, your Telegram handle, Discord handle. And if you find any bugs, you can put it here and put a video if you need it, and then click on submit. And that is all, guys. Very directly, straight to the point. You already saw my answer, so you can do it yourself really quick. And now we need to wait until the 25, and we need to wait until they launch the testnet of the 4 products. That is all, guys. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Follow me at Twitter at CryptoCState, because I post there many things that are not in my videos. For example, today I posted about a SWI confirmation of the airdrop. I also posted about Zeta chain, some updates that you need to do. So follow me on Twitter if you want to be up to date with the news of the different airdrops that we already covered. That is all, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.